Hello students, today we are going to discuss your worksheet number 51, class 9 science for the date 4th November. Let's start the worksheet. As you know that your chapter tissue is going on. So in today's worksheet we'll discuss about the muscular tissue. Now Gyan is asking how our body perform different types of movements, which tissue help us in these movements. अलग अलग तरह के जो movements होते हैं body में कैसे होते हैं और कौन सा tissue हमें help करता है. Jigyasa is saying that to perform different types of movements, they are possible because of only muscles, and these muscles are made up of muscular tissue. These muscular tissue have special elongated fibers which are known as muscle fibers, which contains a special protein which is known as contractile protein, which has the ability to contract and relax and causes the movements. There are two forms of muscular tissue. One is voluntary muscular tissue and the another is involuntary. Voluntary muscular tissue are controlled by our own will as per our requirement, and such muscles are called voluntary muscles, like muscles of our hands and feet. Muscles are mostly attached with the bones of our skeleton, thus muscles are also known as skeletal muscles. Involuntary are those which cannot be controlled by our example smooth and cardiac muscles, and they work on their own in our body, example heart, lungs, flow of food in food pipe. Next is muscular tissue. Muscular tissue are of three types, you can say: striated muscle, smooth muscle and cardiac muscles. Striated muscles, the cells of this tissue are long, cylindrical and unbranched and multinucleated. These are the different points you have to remember. They are long, cylindrical, unbranched and multinucleated. When observed under the microscopes, muscles show alternate light and dark color bands, you can see from here, and therefore these are also called the stripped muscles. These muscles are voluntary in nature and they are attached with the bone and skeleton and help in different types of body movement under our will. So these help as per our will. Smooth muscles, the cells of this tissue are long, single nucleated, unbranched and tapering at the ends, like the spindle shaped, you can say. Smooth muscles, they all do not have light and dark striation, and these are also called non-striated muscles. These tissues are found in internal soft organs like your windpipe, iris, eyes, bronchi of lungs and stomach. Third is cardiac muscles. The cells of this tissue are cylindrical, branch and uninucleate, you can see, and the cells in tissue in only form found in the heart. This one is this is the upper one, smooth muscles, and they contract and relax throughout their life. So see the question answers. First, what is the function of muscular tissue in our body? When we say muscular tissue consists of elongated cells called as muscle fibers, and this tissue is responsible for the movement in our body. Muscles contain special protein called contractile protein which contract and relax to cause movement. Muscle tissue vary with function and location in the body. Question number second, which muscle tissue is found in heart and what are its features? Cardiac muscles are found in heart, and the feature is that it never get tired and show rhythmic contraction and relaxation throughout the heart throughout life. Third question, differentiate between striated, smooth and cardiac muscle. You can see the difference there. Striated muscle cells are cylindrical, smooth muscle cells are also cylindrical, that means the cells are generally same in all the three, except in smooth you can write that they are spindle shapes. Cells are unbranched and cardiac they are branched. These are voluntary, involuntary. They contract rapidly and soon undergo fatigue. They contract slowly and do not go under fatigue, and they contract rapidly but do not undergo fatigue. So these are the simple difference. Any three you can write. So you leave the first one and you write these three. What are involuntary muscle tissue? Where are they located? The muscles which cannot be controlled by our own will, example smooth muscles and cardiac muscle, they work on their own in our body. Location like heart, lungs, flow of blood in and also in food pipe. So this completes your worksheet. Hope you like this worksheet. Do subscribe the channel and comment also. Thank you.